So how do you protect your pension plan from divorce? State and federal law generally protects pension plans from creditors, but divorce statutes do not protect your pension plan from divorce. Hiding your retirement doesn't work because what's hidden can be found. But when you really protect your pension from divorce, it is secure even if someone finds it. So what do you do? Hi, I'm the business guy, and I've been in the asset protection field since 1991. Our company started in 1906. I believe we have 65,000 clients in our database. We have attorneys on our staff, and we are the nation's leading asset protection firm. And today we are talking about how to protect your pension from divorce. And be sure to watch all the way through so you can really pay special attention to each step. And by the way, if you are watching this video on YouTube, please click the like button below. And you can also click the subscribe button so when more videos come out like this, you'll get notified. So what are the steps on protecting your pension from a divorce? Step one, we set up a self-directed pension plan. Or to save a little money, you can set up a self-directed IRA and roll your pension plan into your IRA. Now, if your pension plan is from a large company and you still work there, you may need to borrow out as much as you can out of the plan and deposit the proceeds into the structure that we will discuss below. Now, a self-directed pension plan or IRA can invest in privately held as well as publicly traded companies. And this is perfectly acceptable under the IRS code. However, most IRA custodians or pension plan administrators will not tell you this because they do not earn commissions on such transactions. Please visit the Business Guy YouTube channel and see our video entitled Self-Directed IRA, or click on the link below. So first, we set up a self-directed IRA or a self-directed pension plan. Step two, you transfer your existing pension plan to the self-directed pension plan administrator by filling out the proper forms with the new administrator. Step three, we set up a limited liability company, LLC, and we usually do that in the state of Wyoming because it offers the best protection for the money. And you go down the street and open a bank account in the name of that LLC. Now, just like your pension plan can invest in mutual funds or in some cases individual stocks such as Apple, Microsoft, or Amazon, the IRS also allows you to invest in privately held companies. So ask your new pension plan administrator to transfer funds into the LLC that we set up for you. You then fill out your membership certificates, which is the LLC equivalent to stock certificates, in the name of your pension plan. So if your pension plan administrator's name is USA Trust Inc., your name is Pat Smith, and the account number with the administrator is 12345, one membership certificate is taken out and you write USA Trust Inc., Pension Plan Administrator for Pat Smith, account number 12345. Step six. Next, we set up an offshore asset protection trust. So look on the Business Guy YouTube channel for our video called Offshore Trusts, a Beginner's Guide. An offshore trust is the strongest asset protection tool available. Domestic asset protection will not work because your U.S. courts have jurisdiction over U.S. accounts. Now, the offshore trust has a retirement portion and a non-retirement portion. The most effective is a Cook Islands Trust or Nevis Trust. One of the top tax attorneys in the nation wrote the retirement section of our offshore trust. Step number 7, inside the retirement portion of the trust, we place an offshore LLC. You open a bank account and or stock brokerage account for that LLC offshore. You then wire the funds from your US-based LLC to the offshore LLC, or for a stock brokerage account, you fill out a form with a new banker or broker and transfer the stock from the US broker to the offshore broker. See our YouTube channel on Transfer in Kind about transferring stock from one broker to the other. The custodian will generally not wire funds offshore, so that is why we need the US LLC and the offshore LLC. Again, you fill out the stock certificate in the offshore LLC so the retirement portion of your trust is the member of the LLC. For example, retirement subtrust of XYZ Offshore Trust, KLM Company trustee. We also set up a second offshore LLC inside of the trust for your non-retirement assets, and you do the same. Open a bank and/or brokerage account for your second LLC at the offshore institution. We need 2 offshore LLCs to separate your retirement assets from your non-retirement assets as the IRS requires. Now, if needed, our offshore law firm / trustee can step in as manager of the LLCs. Your local courts do not have jurisdiction over our offshore law firm trustee, so U.S. court orders fall on deaf ears. Hey, you work hard for your money, and this may sound involved, but for us, this is something we do every day of the week. So our attorneys can help walk you through the process step by step to make sure it is easy to protect what's yours. And that is why we offer a proven method that we have employed on multiple occasions that has effectively protected pension plans from divorce. So if you have questions on how to protect your assets from lawsuits or divorce, feel free to give us a call at 1-661-310-2931 or visit assetprotectionplanners.com and fill out our free consultation form. And please be sure to share this video and subscribe below. This is The Business Guy.